Welcome to the gold analysis. All right, guys. So as I said yesterday, we were already breaking this 4-hour range uptrend, as you can see, and we actually keep the 4-hour downtrend here after the break on this candle. Okay, it went up, tried to stay above the 4-hour uptrend. It wasn't able, and it just breaks down. Okay, because were already breaking down the trend. So we don't need this trend anymore. We can still have it in the future, okay, because we did not test this 4-hour candle as support. So in the future we might be able to create something like this, or maybe here if we come down to this polarity level. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that. We don't need it anymore. I believe we did not create a range uptrend on a daily. Yeah, no, nothing here, guys. It just started laddering down on the 4-hour, as you can see. On the daily, on the daily, this is still bullish. Okay, guys, we have the daily support here, the candle. I had the wick marked because it was already tested here. Okay, we came down to the body. It kind of deep dives, goes to that previous support on the 4. Okay, because this 4 was tested 2 times. Okay, it creates a base of the move. It also went to the 1 hour here, I believe. Yeah, okay, it didn't went to the body, it went to the wick. Okay, perfect test here, as you can see. So it's there are two levels here, and they are the base of this range. Okay, so after this test, we can actually say that I'm gonna mark the wick here so you guys know. So we have a range here. Okay, we have a bigger range, but right now I want to focus on this one because we are actually trying to hold this 4-hour candle. Okay, guys, it was tested 3 times already. So if we don't hold this 4, we are probably going to a 4-hour untested candle, and that's down here. Okay, we still have the polarity here that brought the move up. Okay, after the test here on this level, as you can see, we just went up 6.3%. So that is a big polarity moment that can still hold the price. Okay, we don't have more downtrends here. I believe maybe on a 15 or on a 1 hour in this range. Okay, I'm going there. Right now we just have this 4 hour. Okay, it was a really good position for a short here, I believe. 2.7%. Yeah, that's a really good short. We are now holding it. We might not hold this, guys, honestly. We didn't deep dive the range, so we are not yet trying to break the range. We are just holding that. Okay, so let me just delete this. I don't believe, no, I can keep it, honestly. So as I said before, we have the 4-hour untested candle here. If we deep dive, we might not be able to hold it. Okay, guys, I really want to have a fast move down, but we really need to hold this. Okay, we have another 4-hour that was tested 2 times, so that creates also polarity that can also hold the move. Okay, what I really don't want is to come to this 4-hour, because this is the bottom, okay, of this big range. Okay, this is the 4-hour bottom candle of this. Well, actually the one is here, but this was already tested. So this was already tested, this was already tested, and this was tested 2 times. So that creates also the next base. Okay, and if we keep attacking this base of the range, we are probably going to break down. Okay, we really need to hold some level of polarity, otherwise we might just break down. Okay, so let's just see this range for now. You already know my levels. Okay, let me delete this so you guys don't get confused. Okay, 1 hour, we have the 4 there. Let me just check this 4. Okay, it was probably support, it was just broken. Okay, we have the 4-hour resistance candle here. It kind of maybe it was tested here on this week. Okay, maybe not on a 1 hour. Okay, we still have a 1 hour here untested candle. We have a ladder, but we still have some levels that were not tested on the top. Okay, like this candle here. Also this one has a backside, it has a big wick. I'm gonna keep this one. We still have the backside here also. I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, we might be creating a range here. Let me see this on a 15. Okay, we probably don't need this level anymore. We don't need this level anymore. This 1 hour didn't hold. Okay, so we have a range here. Okay, we have a new range, as you can see. Top of the range, bottom of the range. So what is actually happening here? We are clearly laddering up. Okay, 15-minute range trend. I kind of don't like this one because we still have the 15-minute untested candle here. Let me go to the 1 hour, sorry. Okay, this 1 hour was already tested, okay, by this candle. So we have the possible support candle here on the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, as you can see, we are laddering down. Okay, lower high here. In here, we have lower higher low, sorry. Okay, so this range, we are just creating this. Let me check 15-minute downtrend. It was already broken. Okay, so this candle was not tested, so we can still adapt the trend here. Okay, and I don't like this one. Okay, I really don't, because we just have the creation and the continuation. We don't have a confirmation yet, so I don't like that. I also, as I said before, I kind of don't like this trend either, so I'm gonna delete that. It's just a 15-minute. We need to create some 1 hour for me to have a clearly trend. Okay, so polarity on this range, polarity on the top on 1 hour is here, right? But if we go there, we are probably going to break up. So we might need just to reject this if we want to keep laddering down. Okay, this is not a big polarity level, but as you can see, we go there and the price just goes 1% down, really straight down. Okay, in just 3 hours the price just goes down. We have old, it's just all the levels down here, and I believe we are just creating a new range here. Okay, on the 4, for me to be bullish, we need to go above the body of this 4 hour candle, so that can turn into support. If we stay or stay below this level, or reject this level, as you can see, we can easily reject that polarity level, and the price keeps laddering down, we are probably just going to break down. Okay, guys, we still have levels here that can still get tested before we break down, so we just need to wait and see what the price is going to do on this range. If it tries to attack the top there, we might just break it. Okay, because I believe the 4 was already tested. The 1 hour, we still have some levels that were not tested. Okay, so I believe that if we actually hold this level, we can break all previous levels, okay? And maybe attack the trend there. So I don't need this 1 hour here, I believe. It was already tested. So I believe I said everything, guys. Yeah, if the major point here is to break up the 4 hour here and hold it. Okay, if we can actually hold it, or maybe this 1 hour, if we can actually hold this 1 hour and keep this uptrend. Okay, or the price is just going to stay on this range and create some accumulation, and after some polarity levels get tested, maybe the price breaks up or breaks down. Okay, so this range was not over yet. We don't want to short or buy here. Okay, because we just tested that previous level 3 times, so we have a big probability of breaking down, but I don't want to say that we are going to break down on this range. We might go to some higher levels. Okay, guys, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.